Hi dancers, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated. And I love to talk to all the students because I know when I started training, I had a lot of questions. So I always do this seminar with my students because बहुत सारे सवाल जो हमारे दिमाग में होते हैं उससे हमारी ट्रेनिंग बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट हो जाती है क्योंकि हम अपने आप को ही ट्रबल करते जाते हैं क्वेश्चन से. तो intention is to put you at ease so that you enjoy this time. एंड सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपकी जर्नी आपकी लाइफ बहुत अच्छी रहे. Just now Mukti was with me and I told her that I'm talking to my students. I'm so excited. She's like, okay, go. Yay! Okay.
If you can guide us about how can we keep a check on our mental health?
It is so overwhelming to become a dancer. बहुत सारे सवाल आते हैं. But constantly you have to keep on telling your mind, I'm going to do this because it brings me a lot of joy. If that's the base of your vision, you will become a good dancer. ये बहुत जरूरी है कि अपने दिमाग को साफ रखना है. ये एक ऐसी चीज है जिसके बारे में हम खुल के बात भी नहीं करते. हमें ये लगता है कि ये कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा where I will seem very vulnerable. We are just human beings and it's part of our body. जितने हमारे फीवर और कोल्ड होता है हम फट से मम्मी को बताते हैं ना हमारे कोल्ड हो गया मम्मी. तो सबसे पहले तो ओपन अप योर फीलिंग्स, शेयर एज मच एज पॉसिबल. और दूसरा, हर दिन अपने आप को सुबह उठ के अपनी बड़ाई करनी है. उठते ही आई हैव माय एंटायर बॉडी वर्किंग परफेक्टली वेल. दुनिया अपना काम करेगी. अगर आपको आर्टिस्ट बनना है तो आपको ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी एंड फॉर दैट यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट योर माइंड. So Tanisha, thank you for asking this question. This is extremely important to be a happy soul first and then an artist, then anything else in the world.
Hello, namaste, namaskar from Mauritius. Oh my God, I'm shaking right now. I've been watching you on TV, ma'am. Wow, this is huge. Oh my God.
Good to see you.
Thank you so much and congratulations for Nitya Shakti, 4 years now, and all the instructors doing awesome job during this lockdown.
Thank you.
Is so amazing. I'm shaking and I can't. So my question was, so what is the creative process, the creating thoughts, those neurons, how they got into those movements?
Ricky, you're damn cute, firstly. The way you ask questions.
Thank you so much.
When I listen to a song, I need to firstly fall in love with the song before I dance to it.
Yeah.
And I need to listen to it as many times as possible so that I'm aware of each and every layer, every beat, the way it is sung, क्या energy है उसकी. और फिर then I create an atmosphere. पर choreography जो कि मैंने अब जाके realize करी is not about just movement. It's also about feeling. It's also about expressing a song. I think it's very individualistic process and all of us have a very different understanding of movement जो हम यूज करके एक्सप्रेस करते हैं.
Yes, wow, bravo to that. Thank you so much.
You mentioned about being active on social media. So does it mean only Instagram or everywhere, like TikTok, like Twitter, like YouTube, and what kind of active, like posting videos or interacting with people?
This is a very good question, Chinkita. According to me, social media should be reflection of your personality and not what people want to see, not about what is trending, what is cool. तो कितने platforms हैं जो आपके personality से आपको लगेगा कि doesn't go with who I am, or this is something that is not exciting for me. So you must not do what you don't feel. क्योंकि सब कह रहे हैं अरे करो, यही latest है, यही करो. ये जरूरी नहीं है. And this is, I could be totally wrong, but this is what I believe. And everything has gone digital. Performances digital होती हैं. तो उसके कारण brands are always looking out for artists. तो it doesn't matter कि आप Bollywood में हो या किस field में हो. They're always looking out for people who are unique, who are amazing, who are doing good work. तो इस तरह से अगर आप अपने आप को active रखते हो, people might reach out to you and that can be an opportunity for you to get work.
So my question was like how to train yourself when there is no proper training. Right now we are really fortunate to be able to get this opportunity, but when we don't have it, so what should I do?
जब भी आप कोई कोरियोग्राफी देखते हो, नया वीडियो देखते हो, सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है. You can be where you are safely and keep training from home.
I wanted to know more about the career options available in dancing.
It totally depends on what your interests are. अगर आपको स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करना है, प्रोडक्शंस में परफॉर्म करना है, तो एक क्लासिकल जो ग्रुप्स होते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा स्टेज शोज करते हैं और ट्रैवल करते हैं. दे परफॉर्म इंटरनेशनली अलॉट. यू कैन ईमेल देम इंस्टाग्राम. और जब सब कुछ ओपन हो जाता है तो ऐसे टीचर्स से अगर आप इंटरेक्ट करोगे और उनसे बात करोगे ना, दे विल ऑलवेज गाइड यू. दूसरा है कि अगर आपको टेलीविजन में काम करना है तो आप रियलिटी शोज में अप्लाई कर सकते हो. यू कैन ऑडिशन. एंड अगर आपको कोरियोग्राफी की दुनिया में जाना है तो बहुत सारे जो कोरियोग्राफर्स हैं उनको आप उनसे बातचीत कर सकते हो. जैसे मेरी दोस्त है अलीशा, कृति, पुनीत, दे ऑल आर लुकिंग फॉर न्यू पीपल हु कैन असिस्ट देम. So always reach out to people. Do not be afraid of getting rejected कि उन्होंने मुझे जवाब नहीं दिया. कोई बात नहीं, सब लोग अलग अलग फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड में होते हैं हर रोज, एंड हम भी होते हैं. तो इट्स फाइन. जस्ट कीप ऑन ट्राइंग, कीप ऑन आस्किंग. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ अच्छा ही होगा.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I have 2 questions. Firstly, since I'm learning lots of forms and since childhood my body is conditioned towards classical, so how do I incorporate so many forms at this age?
तो हम अगर कोई भी फॉर्म सीखते हैं, I'm classically trained, and when I went from Bharatanatyam to Western dance form, anything takes time. As long as you want to add something in your body, just accept it and keep on working towards it. If you enjoy a certain way of movement, don't let the age be a factor in that.
And my second question was, how many hours of practice would you suggest for any other professional who goes for work and then wants to take up dance also as a career?
I would say a minimum of 4 hours a day should be invested if you want to be a dancer.
Being a girl, I feel like traveling to new places, ma'am, आपको वो डर नहीं लगता traveling alone as meeting new people?
This is a sad reality. तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा हमेशा, स्पेशली लड़कियों को, अपने आप को हमेशा बहुत गार्ड करके रखना पड़ता है. पर हम अगर डर के एक जगह बैठ जाएंगे, हम कभी कुछ सीख ही नहीं पाएंगे. अपने साथ किसी फैमिली मेंबर को लेके चले जाओ, कंपेनियन है या कोई टीचर है आपका, उनको लेके जाओ. डरना किसी से नहीं है.
My question is how to be a good dancer.
My God, this is the most complex question. Mayank, you want to say something?
I think you have to be constantly keep learning and be patient, and things will come. 2 चीजें हैं, हो जाएगा.
To do anything in life, you need a lot of discipline. A lot of hard work needs to go because it's a very competitive field. तो आपको और ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी for you to be in the space where people recognize you.
How do you manage to keep up the efficiency of training, because same time nahi mil pata, I guess, like over a period of time?
Every day we are changing. शुरू में when I started off my career, I was only and only dancing. Then I started spending time teaching. Then I started spending time choreographing. तो हमारे interest भी change होते हैं और हमारा शरीर भी बदलता रहता है. तो उसके हिसाब से हमें समझना है कि what is it that I'm loving right now? I need to do that.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to go forward in dance, but in our family there is nothing like dances. No one has interest in dance, and I want to go forward. But in family, no one has a shock in dance.
No one has a shock in dance? कितनी cute है ये. Mine. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर आपको डांस करना है तो आपकी फैमिली में भी किसी को डांस करना जरूरी है. When I started dancing, there is nobody in my family or in my khandan who knows anything about dance or anybody in the industry. पहले तो आप मम्मी को समझाओ कि मम्मी I want to do this and I can go ahead. तो आप try नहीं करोगे तो कैसे, how will you go ahead?
I think in our houses, what parents actually want to see is how much you're dedicated into that, so that they can allow you to, so finally I have convinced my parents after years. So I'll be shifting to Mumbai next month.
Amazing, Aditi. Thanks for sharing and welcome to Bombay. Just be careful before coming.
So I have a bunch of questions or statements, whatever you call them. I'm going to ask them, and if you've done those, then you do a thumbs up. If you don't, then you do a thumbs down. Okay. You happen to slap someone or yourself while learning a routine. Revise the routine in a shower. Great. Put the blame of your own stinky socks on someone else. Mopped the entire floor with your sweat. Fallen flat on your face while doing a handstand. Overdressed for a class. Imitated your dance teacher behind their back. Awesome. Great. Let's take a group picture. Everyone.
Bucket list.
Sab aa jao. Let's make a heart.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I've got it.
Yay.
Yay, thank you.
Okay, आज की सभा यहीं समाप्त करते हैं. सब घर जाके खाना खा लें, मतलब घर पर ही है सारे. खाना खा लें, थोड़े घर में मदद करें, अपने पेरेंट्स से बातें करें अच्छे से. और just remember, you have to constantly love yourself. Just positivity. सबसे ज़्यादा important है. More than training, you need mental training. Okay? Thank you everyone for joining. Give my love and regards to your family, everybody at home. Keep smiling. Lots of love.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Love you.
Thank you so much. Bye, ma'am.
Bye बच्चों.
Bye.
Bye bye. जाओ खाना खाओ.